magic wand.
इसका टेस्टिंग अभी कर लेते हैं. Do not buy this.
Hi everyone, and we meet again. So welcome back to my channel Roop's Diaries. In today's video, as you have already seen, I am going to show you a haul from Mr. DIY. It's a huge haul, so I'm pretty excited. Huge as in I have not bought like big items, but छोटे छोटे बहुत सारे items लिए हैं, and I'm excited to show them all to you. For those of you who do not know what Mr. DIY is, it is essentially a home improvement store. उसमें हर category के items है, starting from home decoration to electrical supplies and hardware supplies. Then you have all the planters, flowers and decoration. Then you have mirrors, you have stationery, you have soft toys, plushies and loads of items. Before we begin, the सबसे important चीज़ है, that is I request you all that if you like my videos, if you like me, then please do subscribe to my channel. I really need it at this stage. I mean, always, I would always be looking for support from you. And like this video. At the end of the video, if you like it, please like it, leave a comment. It really motivates me to make more videos. And also share this video as much as possible with your family and friends. Click that share button over there, and also hit on the bell icon to receive all the notifications from my videos whenever I post one. That is very important. Now moving on to the haul, I'm going to just randomly pick up stuff and tell you about it. But yeah, I will start with something which is boring for me, but it is quite a useful thing, so I'll show it to you. वैसे DIY, Mr. DIY जाना जाता है for its low priced items. Most of its items are quite retails at quite low prices, but specifically two items you might find them of high price. मुझे पता नहीं बाकी stores में how much they cost, but I just took it from here. So these two. So I have taken this screwdriver set of 4 pieces. It is very useful thing. बहुत ज़रूरी है घर पे, you know, for
Different purposes.
and this retails at rupees 550. and also this combination plier, ये भी बहुत important ज़रूरी चीज़ है. Recently I had some renovation work going on and मुझे कुछ changes करने थे अपने घर में, so these two things were lacking and I really thought that I should buy these. This combination plier, it retails for rupees 518. So these are some of the professional hardware tools. Moving on, I got this yellow cable tie. There are 150 pieces in this, and this retails at rupees 105. Now this I really wanted because ये ना मुझे पता है किस काम आता है. These tie in aviation we used to call it tie wraps. So these tie wraps, I have bird nets outside my window, तो उसको secure करने के लिए, grill के साथ उसको secure करने के लिए I needed this. So that's why I bought it, but it can be used for various other purposes. To tie cables together, to lock something up, वगैरह वगैरह. Then I got some utility items for using in the kitchen mainly. So this one, this is a silicone bottle cleaner, a silicone brush. This is very soft, and you know, I have a lot of these bottles, whether glass or plastic bottles, दोनों के लिए ही silicone brush is better, because the other brush with the sharp bristles, it actually causes scratch, and also जो sponge वाला है ना, वो उतना effectively कभी कभी clean नहीं करता है. So I thought I will give this a try. It looks pretty handy, and also I sometimes use a small toothbrush to clean glasses and mugs. You know, I don't always want to wet my hands or put soap in my hands, so I think for that purpose also this silicone brush will be very useful. This is priced at rupees 203. The next item that I took is this drain basket. ये तो आप लोगों ने बहुत जगह पे देखा ही होगा. It is used to drain rice या फिर noodles. मैंने लिया है to drain noodles and vegetables also. Vegetables drain करने के भी काम आएगा. So यहाँ पे this has like this kind of a hole on one side, ऐसा hole, and on the other side it is plain, so you can rest it. यहाँ पे ये जो flat surface है, you can rest it like this and let it drain. या फिर ऐसे अगर रख दोगे, then also it will drain. So I got only for rupees 99. That is quite inexpensive. I also got this extendable sink rack. इसको like this much it can be extended. और इतना छोटा हो सकता है. So if you see the photographs given inside, you can make out what it can be used and how it can be used. तो ये तो मेरा प्लान नहीं था खरीदने का, बट ये देख के मुझे बहुत ही हैंडी लगा, बिकॉज व्हेन यू वांट टू वॉश, when you are in a hurry and you want to put something, run some stuff like especially your greens and all under the water, on the flowing water for some time, then this will come to good use. मुझे वैसे यूज करना है. I'll just extend it, put it on the sink and then put the stuff in it, all the पालक या जो भी है whatever leafy vegetables उसमें डाल दो, पानी के नीचे डाल दो, क्लीन कर लो, अच्छे से वॉश कर लो and then drain it in this itself. I got it for rupees 114 only. So ये भी मुझे काफ़ी सस्ता लगा. Okay, now moving on to some of the stationery items. So I got this diary. It is very pretty. It has a very pretty cover and the back cover is also same with butterflies and flowers, and very pretty looking aesthetic kind of diary for something special notes, or I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I just loved it. You know why I loved it more? Because most diaries में ना ऐसे बाहर से कलर दिखता है in the border line, but this diary actually has colored pages. ये मुझे बहुत rarely मिलता है. I have been looking for this kind of diary since ages. हमेशा मुझे post-its मिलते हैं.
And I get diaries with one stripe of color, but इसमें पूरा page colored है.
It has spiral binding. It is A5 in size and दोनों side ruled pages है, which is a plus. मुझे इससे पहले एक मिला था ऐसा colored diary, but it was blank and my handwriting goes like this
if I write in a blank page.
So yeah, so this is really good. It has 100 pages and it is only for rupees 125. So काफी अच्छा diary है ना. 5 neon colors are there in this diary, so I just loved it. I took it. The next item in the stationery section is this pen. See how cute it is, no? इतना मतलब this diamond. It's a very common pen. I've seen this kind of pen in many places. Purple नहीं देखा है मैंने, हमेशा white diamonds का देखा है. Seeing this purple color, I just took it, and this has a hanging kind of charm also in it. Unfortunately, I have misplaced the tag. ये मैंने लेते ही use करना शुरू कर दिया, so I don't remember the price of it. But I think this was expensive. This was rupees 200. I think it was 200 के आसपास. So yeah, this was expensive, but I was very disappointed. 2-3 दिन लिखने के बाद ही ये खराब हो गया. That was very disappointing. So do not buy this pen.
Do not buy this pen.
Okay, moving on. So I bought another pen from there. एक तो पर्पल कलर जो कि मुझे बहुत पसंद है. दूसरा this fluffy thingy, ये भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So I mean,
how can you resist?
You cannot resist when the pen looks like this. I'll take it off. So yeah, so this is the pen, and okay, so this is the pen and it is so soft. ये देख के वो ASMR वाला feel आ जाता है, and it's like a magic wand.
इसका टेस्टिंग अभी कर लेते हैं.
प्रिटी डायरी ले रही थी तो इसके साथ खूबसूरत एक पेन भी तो चाहिए था ना. सो लेट्स टेस्ट एंड सी कि ये पेन पास होता है कि वो दूसरे वाले पेन के जैसे फेल हो जाता है.
ओके, एज ऑफ नाउ इट्स राइटिंग गुड. इसमें ब्लैक इंक है क्या? आई कांट मेक आउट द इंक कलर बिकॉज़ आई एम राइटिंग ऑन एन ऑरेंज पेज, नियॉन पेज.
Okay, it's definitely black. This is black ink and it writes quite good. पता नहीं कितने दिन चलेगा, but yeah, I needed to have this. Even अगर ये खराब भी हो गया, I will still keep it because of this. All right. Now the next item is not stationery but like blingy item, blingy and furry. I took this keychain. This is a furry pom keychain and I got this for rupees 66. 66 rupees. It's okay, not very cheap. I mean मैंने ऐसा lifestyle में भी देखा था this kind of keychain and almost similar price था. So yeah, this is not very सस्ता. Oh, I forgot to tell you the purple pen का price. Yeah, it's 63 rupees. 63, 66, 63. Okay, so moving on. Now we are going to move on to the next category, which is beauty. It's not any, I did not buy any makeup products from here. Beauty as in, I'll show you what. I got this. What is this? This is a cleaning sponge. Let's put it to test. मैंने अब तक ये यूज़ नहीं किया है, बचा के रखा था मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाने के लिए इसकी पैकेजिंग. How tempting, and yet I did not use it. So I called it cleaning sponge. It's a cleansing sponge. Makeup remove करने के लिए cleansing sponge है ये. So it is reusable and obviously eco-friendly because it's reusable, not like those cotton pads जो हमें फेंक देना होता है. And this one retails at $77. So this is also neon pink. I think Mr. DIY को सब neon पसंद है. It's very furry. It doesn't look like it will absorb much. ये मैं आपको end में दिखाऊंगी when I'm removing my makeup. So I got loads of this cute clips. This is so pretty, no? It is a pair of 3 in orange. It is peachish orange, purple again, and yellow color में. And this one I got for 53 rupees 53. And also I took this. इसका पता नहीं cover कहाँ गया. This was a little bit expensive. These are again clips like ऐसे वाले cute clips. ये ऑब्वियसली मैंने अपने लिए नहीं खरीदा है. दिस कैन बी गिफ्टेड. ये एक्चुअली बच्चों के लिए है. सो या यू कैन गिफ्ट इट. किसी भी छोटी बच्ची को दोगे तो दे विल बी वेरी हैप्पी. सो दीज आर सो क्यूट. इट हैज रेनबो क्लाउड्स एंड या दैट. सी, ये मैंने अपने लिए खरीदा है. ऑल्सो आई गॉट दीज हार्ट शेप्ड क्लिप्स. दे आर सो क्यूट, सो वेरी क्यूट. दिस वन रिटेल्स एट ₹55. Again, I felt this is a bit expensive, but yeah, I have never seen this kind of heart-shaped clips in Miniso or Daiso Japan. So yeah, so I just took it. So another utility cum beauty wala thing you can say. I got this cute nail clipper. This one I got for ₹65. इसको open करते हैं. See, it's this small and how cute it is. It has a teddy bear sticker over here, a silicone one, and it is quite good. ये मैंने यूज करके एक बार देख लिया है, टेस्ट करके. It's quite good. So yeah, you can take it. It's travel friendly also, pocket sized. So this comes quite handy. All right. So now I will show you some jewelry things, some jewelry that I got from there. Next, I got this pretty neck piece for 65 rupees only. मुझे नहीं पता कि ये कितने दिन ओके रहेगा, whether it will tarnish or not, but I just took it because it's very cheap. यार 65 में layered necklace इस तरह का, I mean it's I'll show you how it looks. Yeah, this not bad, it's good only. Like this, it looks cute. Next that I took is this bracelet. I took this bracelet. It has coins and hearts hanging from it, colored hearts hai. This also I found it quite cute. This I got for 57 rupees. I just can't wear bracelet on my own. बहुत मुश्किल से पहनना पड़ता है. मेरे सारे bracelets कभी ना कभी मैं खोल देती हूँ बीच में. If I'm whenever I'm feeling hot, I will just take off the bracelet और खो जाता है. I've lost so many bracelets like that. ये इसका ये हुक इतना अच्छा नहीं है क्वालिटी. Don't go for this. Okay, so this is how it looks. एक हार्ट पता नहीं क्यों टर्न हो जा रहा है. या so like this. Not bad, it looks good only. हुक पहले थोड़ा लग नहीं रहा था, but yeah, then I managed. Okay, so now what else do I have? I bought a pair of earrings also. कहाँ गया? This one. This is so pretty ना. ये थोड़ा expensive है, more expensive than the neck piece and the bracelet. This I got for 85 rupees. These are metal ones, metal, and it is fully blue. Even इसका जो stem है पीछे का वो भी blue color में है. So I'll show it to you how it looks. Not bad, huh? It looks quite nice. के पीछे का गिरा दिया. Okay. This is how it is. I like it. It's quite nice. This if you get you can buy. ऐसे और भी काफ़ी सारे थे. मुझे ये ब्लू दिखा तो I just picked it up क्योंकि मेरे पास मोस्टली सिल्वर या गोल्डन कलर के है, ज़्यादा कलरफुल ज्वेलरी नहीं है. So I wanted this. The last thing that I got is this. It's empty because मैंने इसको already use कर लिया है. इसमें था ये So they are selling it by the name of interior stones, basically crystal stones, ये जो fog crystals बोलते हैं ना, fake crystal stones, ऐसे वाले थे. इसमें 28 pieces and this one also was expensive. I would say I got it for rupees 179 and I'll show you for what I used it. I have used it already. So this I used in this box. तो इतने सारे तो थे नहीं. सी मैंने एक्चुअली ये देखा था somewhere on Instagram. Somebody was decorating this brush का organizer box with these crystal stones and बहुत ही pretty लगा मुझे, so I bought it. मुझे दिखा DIY में, तो I just took it and then later I saw it was not sufficient to fill up the base of this, so I got more such crystals from Amazon. I think those were cheaper than this. So if you want, I can also link it up for you in the description box. Amazon वाला ये ऑर्गेनाइजर, ब्रश ऑर्गेनाइजर भी मैंने Amazon से लिया है और यहाँ पे सारे ब्रशेस भी Amazon से लिए हुए हैं. So this is not a part of Mr. DIY. The only thing that I took was this crystal. We come to the end of this haul. 20 आइटम्स खरीदे मैंने और ये 20 आइटम्स मैंने कितनी जल्दी जल्दी आपको दिखा दिया. आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो एंड वंस अगेन, जो कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था, प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल इफ यू हैव नॉट ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब्ड एंड इफ माई सब्सक्राइबर्स आर कमिंग बैक टू वॉच माई वीडियोज देन थैंक यू so much. I so appreciate it and love to all of you. Please remember, I need your support. Oh, and I almost forgot, I also took this family photo frame. ऐसे family लिखा हुआ है photo frame. This is 4x6 and I got it for only rupees 95. तो ये भी काफ़ी reasonable है, so I took it. Yeah, that's all. So that makes it 21 items. And also I would like to tell you that I'm there on Instagram as well. My Instagram account is this Roop's Diaries. यहाँ पे long format content है and Instagram का content is very different from YouTube का content. So please do follow me on Instagram as well. Do let me know in the comment section कि आपको मेरा ये Mr. DIY का haul कैसा लगा and also let me know if you have been to Mr. DIY और वहाँ पे आपको और भी कुछ interesting items मिले या नहीं. Please mention what you got. I will also love to check it out. Signing off now. Keep watching my videos, my shorts. Keep showing your support. I really need it. It motivates me to make more videos. Take very good care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay happy and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
अरे किधर जा रहे हो? पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. याद है मैंने कहा था इस मेकअप क्लेंजिंग स्पंज को हम लास्ट में टेस्ट करेंगे. भूल गए, तभी कहती हूँ किसी भी पार्ट को स्किप मत किया करो. मैंने इस स्पंज पे हिमालय का प्यूरिफाइंग नीम माइसेलर वाटर यूज किया टू रिमूव माय वाटरप्रूफ मेकअप. एक्सेलेंट रिजल्ट, स्किन फ्रेंडली, पॉकेट फ्रेंडली, ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. बिग थम्स अप फ्रॉम माय साइड.